Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to talk about Moderna, a play that I am looking for this week. And Moderna looks very interesting. And again, I make these videos for the trade plans that I'll be alerting in a matter of time in Discord, and sometimes I do not alert them. It really depends upon if we do break out. So we have Moderna right over here. We have a symmetrical triangle. I did post I think like an earlier chart on Twitter, so make sure to follow me on Twitter as well as Instagram. So in Instagram I mostly more like in real life videos and stuff, some behind the scenes on my trades and all of that. Now let's get back to Moderna right over here. This is a symmetrical triangle breakout. So I did make a video on a symmetrical triangle, the SQ play. So remember the SQ play we had? So this was a symmetrical triangle breakout. Now what you have to understand is symmetrical triangle is a neutral pattern. So it can break out either way, and it's bullish or bearish. Okay, so we have to understand that. So this is actually very nice because we have a very tight stop loss over here. Okay, so I love symmetrical triangles and I've played them a lot. What I like about them is we have a very tight stop loss. So let's get our text right over here, and our stop loss is basically going to be these two lines. Okay, so whichever side Moderna breaks out, I'll be playing that side, but a very tight stop loss right over here. Okay, so as you can see, both of these are our stop losses and both of these are entries. So for example, if our entry was, okay, we're playing bullish, okay, for example, so if we were bullish on the stock and around this Tuesday, okay, so let's say we had a bounce right over here and then it broke resistance right over here. This would be our entry, and then our stop loss would be support down below. And if we were to play puts, okay, so if we were to play puts right over here, this would be our entry for puts, and then our stop loss is going to be this right over here. So overall, very simple. Okay, I love symmetrical triangles, and this pattern is actually huge. Another thing is that it is sitting on a support for the RSI. Again, if you guys did see my video on Nvidia, or I think it was PayPal, I was charting supports and resistance on RSI, which is actually very many people do not do that. But overall, very simple, plain. Again, do not go all in because this trade has a high probability that it can go wrong. But again, we have a very tight stop loss. As for expiration, I'm probably looking at this week, same week expiration, since it's a scalp. So if it's a scalp, I'm looking at the closest expiration. And then overall, just please do not go all in. Position your size accordingly, so if we do stop out, we have money to play the other side. So overall, very simple plan. Again, we caught the whole move on Moderna back in June. I did make a video on the healthcare rotation, and I was thinking making another video on the next rotation that I am looking at, which is semiconductors. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video on the symmetrical triangle for Moderna. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.